Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. The contrast of this green with my red skin, but I still love it. This is Illamasqua Radium. I've dinked it a little bit there, but it's a very pretty polish. That's just in 2 coats, but yeah, I've messed it up already. This is a slightly different video. I thought I'd do a whistle-stop tour of my current collection and storage, just so you can see it's getting a bit overwhelming. It's messy. I mean, my collection is just split everywhere all over the house. I know that I need to get that sorted out, and when I move, which should be in the next year or so, fingers crossed, then I should be able to get better storage. But it's just because of where we are at the moment, I can only use the shelving display units really. And it's spilling out everywhere, and as you can see, it's a bit of a challenge to get through destashing, but I do want to try and hone it down a little bit. So here is my current collection and storage. We'll start filming here. So I'll show you. This is very messy. This is my corner of the kitchen. You can see all my cookery books there, and there's my hot light, and there's my glass board that I do most of my videos with, and here's my rack of polishes that I'm using or filming with, and here's some bits and pieces of base coats and tools, and then over here in the corner is a block of drawers that have got nail art supplies, stamping plates, and some shoved down the corner there with watermark. Oh my god, yeah, emery board. So that's my messy corner of the kitchen there. And then over here behind me I have some supplies here. Actually, I need to get, these are some of my Giwi polishes. I need to get some swatch wheels out because I'm going to be doing some Roy G. Biv swatch wheels. So that's those, and there's nail mail here, there's bubble wrap, there's polishes to go into the destash shop. And in one of these boxes here is my UK indies. I do have more UK indies upstairs, but this is my kitchen collection. Another growing part of my collection that we're actually in my bedroom at the moment. There's Marwyn's bed, or one of Marwyn's beds. And yeah, so the lighting isn't very good in this room. This is my indie collection, my growing indie collection. So it starts at the back here. There are some minis here just because these containers are really small, so they only fit minis in. And some more indies here, and then my massive growing collection of Ada's nails polishes. Some new bee's knees lacquer at the back. But yeah, that's kind of taking over a corner of my bedroom. Before I start on my main collection, which is here, there's quite often boxes of nail polishes where I'm filming or in the middle of filming or choosing some polishes for a video, so these kind of things hang around all over the place. So this here is quite recent. This is the top of a filing cabinet here in what used to be my office. So I've got a growing H&M collection there at the back, Sally Hansen collection, some various Orleys, Butter London, some one and onlys here, and here is my main collection. So it's mainly on these 3 cabinet shelves here, these bookcase shelves. So I've got my OPIs here, Essie, these ones here you can't really see because it's quite dark, but China Glaze. I've got some Essence polishes at the front here, OPIs spilling down to the front, and then on the second shelf, Barry M, Sinful Colours. I've got my Illamasquas and Colour Clubs and various different other brands here just spilling out. I need to dust these shelves. And then on the top shelf here, just Random different polishes, some Sally Hansen, Revlon, and yeah, just a bit of a mess. So there we go. I tried to keep it as tidy as possible, but I need to do something better with storage. So let me know what you think. I know it's messy, I know it needs reorganising again. It's a constant job, but I should be shrinking that collection a little bit with the destashing that I've got in mind anyway. I think I'm going to start going through it brand by brand, just because it'll make it easier for me, I think, with some colour comparisons as I go through. But yeah, that's where I'm at the moment, just facing a big spring clean of my nail polish collection. Yeah, so that's where I'm at. Let me know where you're at with your collection. Are you having storage problems? And I'll see you all in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!